In this video, I want to talk about Myaddsup, and this is something that I know nobody else is teaching or talking about for Myaddsup. So I wanted to try to do something different. I want to stand out as far as promoting this opportunity. So I'm gonna teach you the right way to operate, and the best way for you to get success in Myaddsup. And basically what you should do if you can afford it in the beginning, or if you have to build your account so you can get to the point where you can operate as a LLC or corporation. And basically what an LLC or corporation is, it's a real business entity. So like basically just like Floyd Mayweather, if you see his checks, they don't say Floyd Mayweather, they say they paid out to Golden Boy Production, which is a business. That's why you see him flashing all this money, which is really stupid for real. But this is how he's operating. That's why he's able to have those large amounts of money and all that crazy stuff. But this is what you want to be. You want to start out as you want to be an LLC or corporation. And basically, it's $150 and in between, and $50 to $300. And the state I live in, which is Maryland, is $100. Depending on what part of the world you're looking at, this in, you have to go to your local government to find out about this. But the reason why I say do this is because the people that are the big time recruiters, they have you thinking that Myaddsup is your business when it's not. It's that owner's business. So this is why you want to come in as ABC LLC or ABC Corporation, and you want to build your business credit. But that's a whole nother video. We're not going to get into that. But this is really how you'll be able to blow this opportunity out the water with the business credit behind you. And you can use your business credit to buy your ad packs or your advertising. And when you buying this advertising, because it's really one and the same, but as a person, you're buying ad packs. As a business, you're buying advertising. And as a business, your advertising becomes a write-off. If you're buying ad packs, you don't get this perk. That's a perk you get when you're operating as a corporation or LLC. Instead of you spending money on advertising, and you're more focused on buying your advertising and trying to get your daily earnings. With this, you're not going to be worrying about buying advertising. You're going to be trying to buy as much advertising as you can, because it becomes a write-off. It doesn't become, it's not a bill anymore, it's a write-off. When you operate in this manner, a lot of bills that you have can become write-offs. And I know nobody in Myaddsup is teaching this. So this, I know they're not teaching. So I will be the first person that's in Myaddsup teaching you this. So I wanted to be different. That's why I did this video, because this is how you should be running these business opportunities. Any business opportunity you in, this is what you should be first. So I'm gonna leave my link in the description for Myaddsup. You want to join? The link is there. If you don't join, it's okay, because I'm already here, and I'm gonna buy advertising, and either way, with or without referrals, I can still dominate Myaddsup. So, like, subscribe, share this video. Even if you're in Myaddsup, you can share this video with people, because I know nobody is talking about this. Nobody. Like, subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Peace.